All right, welcome to the Revolving Portal Guide update. We have made updates to the Revolving Portal to make it much easier to bring it into your world. As a reminder, each world should have a revolving portal. The portal points to your channel and will bring people to any event that you host that's in your channel. So you go into someone's world, there's an event happening, but they don't see the event. The revolving portal is a way for them to teleport to the actual event where everyone is and everyone's enjoying it. So here in the revolving portal guide, we first talk about getting your channel ID and using that to bring an MRE into your world. So I'm going to build my um, my my URL by finding my channel ID. So here I am in Altspace. This is my channel. As you can see up here, it's the channel called Unicorns. But you actually need to find the code, the actual ID of the channel, not the channel name. So to do this, I'm going to click Edit. And right away, you can see my URL changed. And now I have that channel ID right here. I'm going to take that channel ID and I'm just going to copy it because we're going to need it for later. So then I'm going to go into Altspace, into my world, and I'm going to hit on World Editor, and then I'm going to bring in the SDK app called Local Server. That's what we're going to do, and I'm going to walk you through that right now. Here I am in Altspace. This is the world that I'm going to put the revolving portal in. So I'm going to hit on the World Editor here. Click on World Editor. Go to Editor Panel. I'm going to click Editor Panel. Over here on the right-hand side, I'm going to click on SDK Apps. And then right over here is Local Server. So I'm going to hit Local Server. All right, so it popped up the local server, but it doesn't let me edit it right away. So I'm going to have to actually find the local server that it just created. And I believe these are in alphabetical order. So I'm going to find L. There it is, local server. Here it is. This is the local server. And right here where it says target URL, I'm going to copy this URL over here. All right, and then it says channel equals. And after channel equals, I'm going to put that channel ID that I copied from earlier. There it is, channel ID. Now I'm going to open it up. And interesting. So it says no events, there is a bug. So what does this mean? Some people might encounter this, and I did this on purpose. So what this means is, my channel actually doesn't have any upcoming and live events, but I scheduled a bunch of events. So why aren't they showing up here? Well, when I go to my event that's scheduled for Burn Week, I noticed that it's actually in draft. It actually hasn't been activated yet. So you have to have an activated event for the channel to recognize it and to put it into upcoming events. So I'm going to click Activate Event, hit OK. So now my event is active. I should go to my channel and I should see that in my upcoming events when I refresh. And there it is. So that worked. Now we should see, does that show up in the revolving portal? So here we are. Here's the revolving portal that I just put up that wasn't working. I'm going to edit this portal. And I'm just going to, I can either uncheck this and check it back, or I can just delete the whole thing and start over again. But I'm just going to hit is playing again and should refresh it. And look at that, it worked. So now I can see that upcoming event, BRCvr Happy Hour, is starting on September 1st at 5 p.m. So that was successful. Now I know that my revolving portal is up. Any event that I schedule, that I add to my channel, will show up in the revolving portal. And when that event is happening, this portal is going to turn from red to blue, and people can then enter it. Try to enter it now, it's going to say, oh, this event isn't working yet. Nope, not working. But as soon as the event's starting, it's going to turn blue, and then people can access that event. All right, guys, that's the end of the Revolving Portal guide. Please join us on Discord if you have any issues with the Revolving Portal. We'd be happy to jump in and help you sort things out. All right, see you on Burn Week.